This is the second video of the live swing trading example using the stock GCI. Idea is that you follow the trade evolution, systematically learning to apply technical analysis techniques. Receiving live trade signals is possible from an RSS link at stockata.org. Please note this is not an invitation to trade this stock. Information given is to be used for training purposes only. Stockata.org will not accept liability for any loss or damage which may arise directly or indirectly from use or reliance on this information. Pay a visit to my website at stockata.org and buy my book Capturing Profit with Technical Analysis. On the weekly price chart of Gannett Company and compared to last week's Elliott count, there is a possible alternative. There was a small reaction end April 2009. If we include this in our count, we still may be in the making of wave brackets 5. This count is valid if price moves above the previous January top. If this count is correct, price most probably will move up to the third Fibonacci target at $19.50. The next bar may already take away any doubt. There is room in the weekly indicators for an up move. This confirms a possible new top in price as suggested in the weekly price chart. If keeping our last week's Elliott count in the daily chart, we may be at a turning point creating a C wave down. However, I do not consider it confirmed yet. I do expect a confirmation with the next bar on Monday. If there is no reversal confirmation, we have to give more weight to the scenario as explained with the weekly chart, expecting a further up move. This will certainly be clear next week. For the moment, we have no position yet based on the daily chart. On the daily indicators chart, you will notice short-term divergences between price and all indicators. This is confirming a possible downturn. Considering the Elliott count close to completion last week and looking at the hourly price chart of Gannett Company, there was a shorting signal in the hourly chart on Thursday. There was a confirmed bearish Harami candlestick pattern at the top. There is a negative divergence between the higher tops in price compared to the lower tops in the indicators, as you will see in the next chart. Price is far away from all the averages and price is breaking the last uptrend line with a closing price. On the hourly indicators chart of Gannett Company, indicators are oversold and show a short-term negative divergence with price in the previous chart. So I decided to open a short position. I sold GCI at $16.63 Thursday, March 18 at 09:34:14 Eastern Time. About 4 hours later, price is nearly touching the 50 hours average, the trend's trailing stop, and close to the 100 hours average. Clearly, you would expect some up reaction here. This was also visible in the RSI Swing Index and the SWAPO indicator, already reaching a low oversold point. As a day trader, I would advise here to take profit. You would make around 3% profit in just a few hours. By the end of the day on Thursday, you would have lost half of that profit. It is clear that as a day trader, you have to react on support and resistance levels for a maximum profit. Of course, if you expect a further correction down, you would hold on to the position for the next day. That is what I did, because at least that moment in time, I believe in a bigger correction during the following days. Friday, March 19, price moved rather flat for a number of hours, but made a bigger down move the last trading hour, breaking the 50 and 100 hours average and the trend's trailing stop. I'm still holding this position. If we get a downward reversal confirmation on the daily chart beginning next week, we will of course hold on to this position even a bit longer. We will track the trades here. For now, there is an open short position based on the hourly price chart. If closing this position on the last trading day, there would be a paper profit of about 4%. This is the end of last week's overview Swing Trading the stock GCI. Idea is that you follow the trade evolution and that you systematically learn applying all technical analysis techniques. You can receive trade signals during the week via an RSS link at stockata.org. Tell your friends about these videos, and while visiting my website, order my new book Capturing Profit with Technical Analysis. See you in the next video for more Swing Trading GCI.